Just got a call about a flood or water on the floor. It's coming beneath the door out into the main hallway where they bring patients back and forth at this outpatient surgery center. So I'm going to head over there and see what that's all about. See what the source is and what, either make a repair or make a recommendation or get a contractor on it. Just depends on what I find. So I'm going to take you along and let's see what it's about. By the way, my name is Tom Novi and I'm a facility maintenance tech. I started the YouTube channel because I'm part in the later chapters of my work life, and the last day I hit the door and not return, everything I gained 32 years leaves with me. So I just wanted to share that. But I've already learned from the viewers like yourself, you have experience too, and I've learned a few things, and I'm very grateful for it. So let's go take a look at this water issue. Access. More water right there. Steps are dry. It's really wet over here. What's happening? Oh, I felt it drip.
I was thinking somebody left the roof hatch open, but
I don't think that's it.
I don't see the roof leaking at this point. This is wet. It's wet right there.
I don't think it's wet above that. Those tricky ladders. Dry up here where the gasket is. There's some moisture right there.
That's definitely wet right there.
There's some drips here. All right, we'll get this roof hatch open. Let's see what's going on out there. I think it's gonna be a roof problem. A new leak. What possibly could go wrong? See if there's any clues to what's going on. So we got an EPDM rubber roof here.
I am about to show you where the roof is leaking.
flashing here. We got rock ballast, roof drain.
Tiny hole is evident on these corners of the roof access hatch. This area is exposed to the sun that deteriorates the rubber membrane. You can see how the rubber has a texture of alligator skin.
And that will be the plan, because it'll get worse before it gets better, right? The roofers are on site at 815 Pescanelli Drive. Taking care of that water leak around the roof hatch. We're getting it done on a Friday afternoon. Roofers are working.